What if I told you that the job you're doing today might not exist in the next 10 years? Sounds scary or exciting? Welcome to Neural Byte Talks, where artificial intelligence meets real conversations. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from tools like ChatGPT to self-driving cars. AI is already changing how we work, how we think, and how we live. And what makes this moment different from every technological shift before is the speed. AI isn't slowly arriving, it's already here, integrated into our daily lives, often without us even noticing. But with every major technological shift, there's one big question that keeps coming back. Is AI going to replace us? Here's the reality. AI is not here to replace humans completely. It's here to replace tasks, not people. And that distinction is extremely important. Tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based are the most vulnerable. Data entry, basic customer support, routine analysis, simple content generation. These tasks can be automated faster, cheaper, and at massive scale. But creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and human connection, those are still deeply human skills. AI can generate information, but it doesn't truly understand meaning. It can analyze patterns, but it doesn't feel consequences. It can assist decisions, but it doesn't take responsibility. That's where humans still matter. Now, let's talk about the future of work. The future won't be about humans versus AI. It will be about humans working with AI. Think of AI not as a replacement, but as a powerful assistant. Just like calculators didn't eliminate mathematicians and computers didn't eliminate accountants, AI won't eliminate human potential. It will redefine it. New roles are already emerging. AI analysts who interpret machine-generated insights, prompt engineers who know how to communicate effectively with AI systems, automation specialists who design workflows where humans and machines collaborate. Even in non-technical fields, AI literacy is becoming valuable. Marketing, education, healthcare, law, finance, understanding. iTools is slowly becoming as essential as knowing how to use email once was. And this brings us to the real risk. The real risk isn't artificial intelligence. The real risk is not adapting. History shows us this clearly. Every major technological shift has rewarded those who learned early and punished those who resisted change. And if you're new to AI or technology, don't panic. You don't need to be a programmer to survive the AI era. You don't need to learn complex coding languages. You don't need a computer science degree. What you do need is curiosity. Start by understanding AI tools. Explore how they work. See how they can save you time, enhance your creativity, and improve the work you already do. Use AI as a co-pilot, not a competitor. Ask better questions. Learn continuously. Stay adaptable, because the future of work will belong to those who know how to collaborate with technology, not fight it. This is just the beginning. On Neural Byte Talks, we'll explore artificial intelligence, technology, and the future, one conversation at a time. If this episode made you think, hit subscribe, because the future isn't waiting.